Hi, I'm Chris Ward, Senior Applications Engineer with Fenner. Fenner is a market leader in polyurethane belting with a focus on motion control and power transmission. Over the last 30 years, we have developed a portfolio of belts where longevity, quality and accuracy are critical to our customers. Recently, Fenner launched an Eagle Poly-V belt. This Poly-V belt is constructed from nylon reinforcements with a polyurethane binder, where the industry norm seems to be a rubber over nylon reinforcement. Another question pertains to installation. The question comes across is that the Eagle Poly-V is extremely hard to install. And is that true? Installation wise, the forces that's required to install it should be similar to what they're doing today. In fact, if anything, if we watch some of the other videos, it may go on with slight less tension. Remember, Eagle Poly-V has a higher coefficient of friction, which means we don't have to put our product on with as much tension as our competitors to give you the same load or torque carrying capabilities. So you may even find that when you install our product, it actually goes on with less tension. That's not only good for the belt, but it's also good for the bearings in the system as well. Thank you for watching our series of Eagle Poly-V videos. Hopefully I've answered most of the questions that you have. If I haven't, please feel free to reach out to us and we would be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have.